Good morning, Mark. Good morning from Texas.
Good morning
You're
from
in
Florida.
Florida, 'di ba?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you for being here, sharing our life, our stories about living benefits. So, uh, you are actually my one of my agents,
Oh,
'di ba? Dun sa ating living benefits, you actually helped me also in my claim when my diagnosis came, yun nga, sa stage 2 breast cancer. Pero can you share a bit of your background first bago tayo magkwentuhan? Kwentuhan lang yan, no? May sala tayo, parang nagkwekwentuhan lang tayo.
sure. Sure. Thank you so much, Genevieve. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Um, it's an honor for this time to be able to share to you guys what we do and what anong mga benefits at saka na nangyayari sa namin sa business namin at saka sa buhay namin at saka pamilya. So Jen, actually I'm a physical therapist by profession, graduated in 1999, and then I came here and started my PT in the year of 2005. And then I own an outpatient clinic and a staffing agency, but I give them all up kasi nag-home health ako. And then I end up doing a part-time as a dito sa financial services in the year of 2010. Then become, I teach financial literacy. And then I end up, having this knowledge about the living benefits, and I start to love it. And I know, because I know that it's going to help a lot of Americans and a lot, and especially not only that, but also sa sarili ko, sa family ko, sa mga anak ko. And that's actually my background now. In 2019, I quit my physical therapy May 1st because I became full time here at financial services, and it's such a reward. It's such a beautiful thing. Na nandito ako sa financial services. I'm able to help a lot more and more Americans um, because of our product and services. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, definitely. Yung gusto mo bang i-share yung kasi 'di ba a lot of people na may full-time job or full-time business, that's the struggle kasi siyempre they are used to doing what they've been doing. Yung iba nurses 10, 15, even 20 years na nagtatrabaho, or katulad mo at the time you were a physical therapist, for many many years yun yung naging training mo. Yung journey mo yung journey mo that time na pinagsasabay-sabay mo, how was it yung time na yun?
Oh, it was not easy. I have three kids, two kids at that time, then become three, and then four, and then it was not easy to start. But I did it for as a part-time job only since 2010, and I start loving it. And kasi dito dyan sa America, there's a malaki talang opportunity, but you have to have the right company, the right product, the right culture. And then I realized now, I don't want to work until I'm 65 years old or 60 years old working as a physical therapist. So I was looking for an opportunity, a business opportunity that it can generate passive and residual income. Yan ang gusto ko, passive and residual income. So I pray to God, and God, can you bless this business? I found this business with integrity, and I love it. So God bless me with the team, and now we grow about 200 plus or 300 licensed agents all over the United States, Jen. So passive and receivable income allows me to serve God, have time to serve sa Panginoon, and also to be able to be with my kids, okay, be able to be there kung may sports sila, and also be able to be there when they needed me. So I'm so glad, just staying home and I don't have to wake up early in the morning to really, or I don't have to sleep early at night because kailangan kong bumangon para 9 to 5. No, I really thank God. I really praise God that that 9 to 5 is gone. So now
Oo.
I am time when it comes to time freedom, meron. When it comes to money freedom, meron talaga. So I
Yeah.
really thank God for that. And also, Jen, the biggest reward as well here is that hindi lang sa akin, we were able to duplicate it to many of our new associate. So many
Yeah.
associate are have backgrounds in nursing na nag-quit na, sa engineering nag-quit na, business owner, they own it, they own this kind of business as well, and a lot of areas in life na has been our partner, great partner. They're wonderful people.
Yeah. And I'm sure at the time nung nag-move ka sa US and you were doing physical therapy, it was a good job, 'di ba? It was giving you regular income, 'di ba, at that time? Kasi yun yung ano parang a lot of people struggle kasi yun yung comfort
Yeah.
zone eh, 'di ba? Kasi may regular income sila na pumapasok every payday, 'di ba?
Mhm.
So pero pero noon pa man, when you started your physical therapy business, talagang open ka na to have your own business. Because kasi I think you value yung time mo kasi you have small children, no?
Yes. So yeah, definitely. Ang income sa physical therapy is so good, especially when you work in home health settings. It's so good, but a lot of paperwork. It's just this, like it's killing your time. A lot of stress, of course, a lot of stress, a lot of time spent outside of your family, outside of your ano ba, yung personal mo. A lot of time being demanded. Nag-demand siya ng time mo. So when you work at physical therapy, that's the same thing as a nurse because your mom nila nurse din, but a lot of stress, a lot of headaches, migraines na nangyari. Yes, may pera. The nursing can earn 100,000, 150,000, even 200,000. Sa ibang state din, and but still, a lot of them are really tired and looking for a way out. Okay, so if they find a way out, an opportunity out there that they can enjoy making an income, replace their income. That depends on their sa availability nila at saka sa willingness nila to be coached and to be mentored as well. So that's what happened to me because the financial services dito it did replace my income after a year and 5 months. Some of my associates replaced their income after 7 months lang, no. They're hard workers, so it depends on their work ethic. So um so ganyan. So I was able to quit my job as a physical therapy because I don't want to spend my time on the road from 8:30 to 7 p.m. and drink Starbucks twice a day and buy fast food. I'm killing myself. I was not really taking care of myself, but I'm done, and I really thank God. And so, I give up my physical therapy, and my income right now, Jen, is way more than a physical therapist. So I thank God for that.
Yeah. And also, 'di ba, Mark, pagka meron kang business, meron ding mga tax write-off na minsan hindi rin alam ng mga those who are, full-time nurses or full-time physical therapists or anybody working full-time in their jobs. 'Di ba, pag meron kang extra business, may mga tinatawag na tax write-off. Katulad niyan, tax season ngayon, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So did you encounter were you able to make use of yung mga ganong tax write-off when you were still doing physical therapy and yeah.
Yes. Jen, sabi ng I'm not an accountant but my accountants, okay? My accountants kasi dalawa, tatlo. So
Yeah.
sabi nila na when you have a 1099 tapos may W2 ka, a lot of tax write-off na pwede mong gawin, and that's why it was a blessing to own a business na may to own a business na may 1099 ka while you working as W2 part-time, because ang dami mo talaga ma-tax write-off per my accountant. I'm not an accountant.
Yeah.
Yung sa cell phone bills, part of the utility, one of your room sa bahay mo, yung paglabas mo together
Mileage.
with your client, and also mileage, yeah, a
Yeah.
lot. So it's a great opportunity, and if you take advantage of that, mas malaki ang ma-write off mo. At saka, what happened to us is that may kami, mas yung return namin mas malaki compare sa W2 lang. Correct,
Yeah.
tama.
Yeah, actually 'pag talagang 'di ba pati hotel, pati flight, so lahat ng mga
Oo.
ginagawa mo sa business mo, puwede
Correct.
mo talagang write off, pati
Yeah,
yung
your
pag-attend mo
walking
ng mga
business. Correct.
yeah,
Your walking business, yeah.
yeah. So marami talagang advantages just to start. Pero now we're going into living benefits, life insurance with living benefits, 'di ba 'yan yung business natin ngayon. Why did you stick with this kind of business? Bakit,
Well,
life insurance with living benefits?
Jen, thank you so much for asking that. I'm really passionate about that. It's not just life insurance that we're talking about. A lot of people. I'm a physical therapist. I've seen this in the nursing home setting, hospital setting, in an outpatient clinic, or in a assisted living, in independent living. But a lot of people are not struggling when they die, because a lot of Americans have life insurance
Nawawala yung
policy
policy.
that they need to die so that they can use. But when I encountered the living benefits really gives a solution to a lot of Americans, and it really disrupting the financial industry, because living benefits, a life insurance that you don't have to die to use, that you can access your policy up to 100%. Yan ang maganda. And also dyan, ganito din hindi lahat ng company na insurance company have the same benefits. Hindi din lahat ng insurance company will pay the same. Nakikita ko yun in fine writings. And so, with the living benefits that pioneered dito sa America, I love that. I love the company because they really pay faster. They pay more. They have more benefits or complete benefits. And kaya nag-stick ako sa living benefits, because there's a lot of people that needs to upgrade their policy. Now, upgrading their policy is really giving value or benefits to their life, to their children, and to everyone that they are, to everybody. Kaya um, living benefits is the answer to financial, to prevent, okay, to prevent, or you know so and so yung financial difficulty, or yung sister ko kasi na sa Jen na nagkasakit siya. So ang nangyari is home foreclosure, yung car na towed. That's because nakasakit. But that you can and may prevent that pag insakto yung amount na binili mo, and then you can access your death benefit up to 100%. Why not? So she was able to access as well with my help, and I really thank God for that. That she's able to get multiple six figures as well on her living benefits. So it's very important, because living benefits help uh, help replace your income when you really need it the most, especially kung
Yes,
ma-unemployed ka na makasakit. So yan po.
yeah, wow, that's powerful. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko sa intro, you are one of the agent that helped me claim my living benefits, 'di ba? Nung when I was diagnosed, I know that the company also needed your validation that I am your client, that you assisted
Right.
me, 'di ba? At
Yeah.
that time na nag-a-apply ako, 'di ba? Nung nag-a-apply ako, 'di ba, I was very healthy.
Yeah.
Wala akong sakit.
Yeah.
I had no
Tama po.
medical condition. Yeah, you were the one who helped me kasi sa company natin meron tayong tinatawag na trainer. So you were my trainer and you helped me get
Yes.
my policy at that time. So you were very much aware that I was indeed very healthy. And then 1 year after, yun na nga, andun ako sa ospital, tinawagan ko kayo na-diagnose na ako. And right away, we filed a claim
Yeah.
um, of course, together with the medical reports of my doctor, sinabi nila stage 2. And we just had to wait. We just had to wait for the company to process it for us,
Correct.
which was very seamless, 'di ba? Napaka-seamless, wala siyang komplikasyon.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So,
Ang maganda din dito na gusto ko lang i-add yan dyan is that, when you are our client, we really, we are here for you. So we will assist you and guide you until, until the end of the time. So we're here for our clients. We're here to support you. Hindi ka mag-alala. You don't have to worry because we are here. That's why I love this company and our leadership at the top, because that's what they emphasize us to do, to prioritize, number one, our clients, number two, the company, and number three, our license. Kaya
yeah.
Jen, I'm grateful to be here.
Yeah, I am very grateful kasi of course yung story mo about your sister, it's just normal that you will assist your sister, 'di ba, until she got
Sure.
her claim. Pero for me, yun nga, hindi mo naman ako relative. I'm just one of the clients that you're assisting, but I know that from the time that I shared that I had the diagnosis, you were there, and of course, you made sure that everything was in order. Kaya at the end of all that, yun, automatically debited. It was cash.
Correct.
Tax-free, yun na nga. Alam mo, lagi kong sinishare na tax-free. Kasi imagine, it was
Totoo.
clean cash lump sum that you will get, and IRS don't have anything to do with it. Sa'yo yun. Every single dollar that you got from your life insurance claim is yours, and it's for us to
Exactly.
use to
Correct.
use it in any way we want.
Correct.
Yeah. So going to the side of the business, Mark, 'di ba, na-mention ko that you were my trainer kasi yan yung isang fear ng maraming gustong mag-start dito sa business na 'to, kasi
Mm-hmm.
sabi nila, "Wala akong experience, hindi ko alam 'yan, I don't know how to talk about it, hindi naman ako salesman," 'di ba? Ano yung I'm sure ikaw din 'no, in the beginning, you were a physical
Yeah.
therapist, you were just doing your job, and suddenly somebody's asking you to be part of financial industry, which is of course so much different. 'Di
Yes.
ba? Pero 'di ba yung we have a system na that we mentor and we coach.
Yes.
Yun.
Yes. Yeah. When it comes to the business side, first of all, sa Philippines pa lang, I never experienced. I never worked there. I never experienced any sales or anything. But I'm just purely, serving the Lord, and also sa church, and also sa just just going to school, and then that's it. So when I came here to America, uh, I was looking again. I was looking for an opportunity, and I keep myself open, and I keep myself open to opportunity. So then I learn and learn, because when people says that you're not a seller, or you don't, you're not good in selling, it's not about selling. So ang kagandahan dito sa business natin, Jen, because we we are here willing to mentor, and our mentorship with our business is talagang totoo. I mean, there's no hype, no nothing. Sali ka dito. No, it's real. We treat you as you are a person, and we treat you as you are, a business owner who start this business without any knowledge. Kasi ganun din ako nung nag-start ako. I don't have any knowledge about finance. I was intrigued na bakit ang mga mayaman, lalong yung mayaman. Yung mga average lang, napopobre. Di ba? So I was
Yeah.
intrigued about that. So now I realized this life insurance thing is not just an ordinary life insurance thing. It helps people in the financial industry. It helps people get a lifetime income that they cannot outlive, and a life insurance that you don't have to die, and a lot of things that people losing money on the other vehicle. While here you have an upside potential with downside protection, and that excites me a lot. And sa business na to, for you guys that are looking for a part-time, there's no quota here. Don't be afraid. No quota. Wala siyang quota. We
No
help you.
inventory.
Yeah, and less pa ang ang ano mo ang capital mo
Startup
ba
capital.
o startup
Yeah.
mo, very very low. And it's really an opportunity. Now is the right time, guys. I'm telling you. If you want to do a part-time job, do it now, okay? And we are honestly going to mentor and help you to get you to the top. Kung ano yung goal niyo, Mark, I just want to generate $1,000 a month. Yes, we'll help you that. $2,000 a month. Like sa mga associates ko, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, may $40,000 a month. I mean, $40,000, my $20,000 a week sa mga associate ko. So, again, do not be afraid. Just be, curious about what we do, and be open about it. And then, lalo na sa financial services, if you want to make money, work where money is, and that's in the financial services, guys. I was about to become a realtor, but I've seen a lot of realtors competing each other. I was thinking about start. I mean, I own a staffing agency. I own an outpatient clinic, but there's a lot of competitions of physical therapy in the world. So I stopped that. Now doing this business is amazing, because even though there's no overheads, there's not a lot of overheads. You just invest your money to build a team, to build your business. And so I enjoyed it a lot, with a passive and residual income that is real in the financial services. So if you guys want to try, just to try, okay, just try it. And let's talk about that. You can contact Jen, and we'll help you start your business in the financial services.
Yeah. And this is open in the 50 states of America, di ba? Kasi we're
Yes,
expanding.
yes.
We really need people to join us. Ang konti-konti pa lang natin.
Oh,
There's
pero
350 million Americans.
oo. And then we're grateful kasi we have so many associates that are really happy. Now this is real, okay? They're very happy. They're very grateful that they joined the financial services, especially sa team namin. Okay? So
Yeah,
I
team
also
natin.
team natin.
Last thing na lang, Mark, kasi na-mention mo
Oo.
kanina yung upgrade. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun when you say upgrade namin yung policy mo? Kasi maraming tao hindi nakakaintindi minsan ano daw, bakit upgrade ang tawag natin?
Yes, sure, Tijan. Gusto makinig kayo lahat, okay? When we say upgrade, it's because tulad sa amin, may policy kami noon, pero yung policy namin walang living benefits. Yung isa namang policy namin may living benefits, pero konti lang ang living benefits, 7 lang ang coverage na makover niya na sakit. Okay? So this with this new product na actually the pioneering company sa living benefits has a complete benefits. So yung binayad namin before, okay, again, it's not the same premium. So yung binayad namin before mataas. Ngayon when we upgraded it, mas mababa at more benefits pa. And then I realized that this company has paid per year sa living benefits nila na napakataas. And so upgrade meaning upgrading your policy, hindi na kailangan na extra expense most of the time, pero more benefits sa policy mo. Now remember, let me tell you this, okay, or ask you this. Did you buy your policy? Kasi sabi ng ibang mga ko dyan, mga clients natin, sabi nila, ay naku, kasi binili ko to sa sister ko, or I bought this policy, my best friend was our agent. I said, okay, let me ask you then, did you really buy this policy to protect your best friend? To cover your best friend, or to protect your family, your children, or to cover your family or children? Tell me. Kasi
Yeah.
you already, I showed them the benefits, way more benefits that will really, really pay them. Okay, that will really cover them. So yan ang big difference when we say upgrading. So don't buy policy because it's your mom who sold you that. It's your best friend who sold you that. You buy your policy because you want to protect your
Yeah.
family.
Or let's encourage your best friend to join us kasi para
Correct.
upgraded yung i-offer niya. So yeah, definitely. I don't know how else can you take that, analogy of upgrading. 'Di ba? Yung cellphone nga ina-upgrade mo almost every year tapos yung policy mo ayaw mong i-upgrade kasi of that excuses na sinasabi
Correct.
mo nga na binenta sa akin 'to ng best friend ko, ng pinsan ko, kapatid ko. But if it's not the most superior coverage, bakit ayaw mong palitan, it's your family that's at stake, 'di ba? So,
Isa pa,
yeah,
isa pa dyan, I mean, when you get sick and your policy don't have living benefits that you can access your death benefit up to 100%. If your policy don't have the living benefits, can your best friend, give you a check of $1 million? Can your
yeah,
mom
definitely.
give you a check of $500,000 like the mga associate namin na nag-claim? Can they give you that because dahil sila ang nag-offer sa inyo, nagbenta sa inyo ng life insurance? No. Again, don't buy life insurance because of the purpose to protect or dahil sa relative or close mo na friend, but buy the policies because for your future. Okay?
Wow, thank you so much, Mark.
Mm,
So, I know that many are still waiting for you kasi ikaw ang one of the most needed trainer and coach. So, thank you for this time. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for everything that you did for me too.
yeah.
Uh, and we will
We're on.
see you soon. Yeah. Thank
I'm
you.
honored. I'm honored, Jen, and this is what we do. We practice servant leadership in our business. So thank
Amen.
you so much for this time and for inviting me, Jen. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mark. Amen.